POV fishing with the Urban Camper, take 1. It's not a bad cast. Now, how am I going to reel this thing in like this? All right, hold on, let me see. Let's do this. All right, POV fishing, filming myself. It's not the most brilliant thing to do, but I'm not giving my secret spot away. But if you know, you know. This is like Jesus, just a fisherman and a carpenter, Urban Camper, Jesus in my heart, God on my side, fishing in Orlando wherever I can, bringing you fishing news that you didn't care about, but now you do. Have a great day.